my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today I'm back with a new makeup video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my winter makeup routine, and as you can see, my skin is really dry and red. So during winter, this is exactly what happens to my skin. It just gets really dry. So to ensure I take care of the dryness, I make sure that I moisturize my face really nicely and also apply a really nice primer so the makeup application looks flawless. So to start with, I'm going to use Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer, and the best thing about this moisturizer is that it contains sunscreen which is SPF 30. So doesn't matter, it's like you don't get exposure to harsh sun rays, but still it's very important to ensure that you have SPF on no matter what. Now, because of the dryness, my skin becomes really flaky, so which means that I have to hydrate a lot and make sure my skin is properly moisturized before I apply any kind of makeup on, otherwise I would look crazy. So for primer, I am using my favorite e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I just gently apply around the places where I see a lot of flakiness or redness or dryness, and I make sure that it is fully moisturized. Now the next thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the best, or I would just say I absolutely love this concealer. Not even just summer, for winter time it works great on my skin, and if you have really dry skin, this is going to work magic on your skin. For my brows, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Gel Brow Filler, and the best thing about this is that it comes with an angled brow brush, and it will have a spoolie as well, so you could just use that and you just get all the tools you need to do your brows in one pack. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Essence Coral shades for my eyeshadow. So during winter, I try my best to keep my eye look really neutral. So I just picked a very matte shade for my eyelids, and then I picked a shimmery shade for the inner corners and for the middle of my eyelids. For eyeliner, I'm going to, actually I came across this stunning gel eyeliner. I used the Maybelline one and I really liked it as well, but this one works great as well. I feel like the texture of the product is so creamy and it doesn't, dry quickly. So this is the gel eyeliner from L'Oreal in the shade 171. It's dark black in color and it applied so smoothly. So if you're looking for an amazing black gel eyeliner, this is the one you need to try. For foundation today, I am going to use the Maybelline Superstay Activewear foundation in the shade 320 Honey, and on this foundation it claims that it lasts up to 30 hours. Now, I did not wear this foundation straight for 30 hours, but I had it on for a full day and it did not budge at all. So I absolutely love it, and if anybody who wants to try this out and wants a full coverage foundation, give this one a shot for sure. I feel like this would be a perfect match for my skin during summer because I feel like it's a little darker on my skin here, but it ended up matching my neck, so I was really happy about it because I do not like going back and returning makeup products. So I am gonna go back with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I'm going to apply it right underneath my eye area and around the face where I want to highlight. So I'm going to gently apply it and use a beauty blender to blend it out properly. Who else noticed that the makeup trends are changing now? I feel like everybody's going for the basic babe look where we give our 100% attention on skincare. So make sure the skin is hydrated, it looks glowy, and even with makeup, everybody's using subtle neutral makeups to make sure that we enhance our beauty which already exists. And I am absolutely loving this trend, and I mostly use all the hydrating makeup products. So if you're looking for some hydrating makeup products, e.l.f. is the line which you need to visit. So since I applied a lot of hydrating products underneath my eye, so I am going to apply the translucent setting powder from Sephora around the areas where I have applied the concealer. And with a brush, I'm going to use the shade Universal in the shade 00 and gently dab the product to ensure that there's not a lot of creasing underneath my eye. For bronzer today, I'm going to use the bronzer from NARS, gently applying it around my cheekbone, my forehead, and right on the sides of my nose to ensure my face has some definition. I'm gonna go back with the translucent powder and apply it around my neck. If you're looking for a very pigmented highlighter, this is the one you need to try out, and it's called Milani. The shade is Strobe Light. It is so pigmented, you guys. Like, I had to use an eyeshadow brush to apply it. If I would have used a highlighter brush, like, I don't know, it would just grab too much product. So I am going to use that product and apply it right around the cheekbones, my brow bones, and on top of my nose. Who else loves to wear lipsticks which doesn't come off easily? In today's world where we have to wear masks 24/7, I feel like this brand just gave it all. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick, and it's in the shade 150, and if you can wear it, it lasts you the whole day. Even if you wear the mask, it's non-transferable, which I absolutely love about this product. And the best thing about it is that it keeps your lips hydrated as well. So it doesn't become really matte and dry and cracky. It just keeps your lips hydrated too. So for lashes, I used the Mink lashes from Amazon. I'm going to write down or mention the product description in the description box below. So next, I am going to use the setting spray from Morphe, and if you are following me for a long time and you've watched the majority of my videos, you will notice that this is the one I use a lot. So guys, this is the end of the winter makeup tutorial, and if you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like my video, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.